Hey everyone, it's Adam. I have an exciting new app that I can't wait to share with you. It's called Wipe My Screen. You saw it in the little poster frame at the beginning of this video. Let's get started and see what this is. Wipe My Screen is a casual screen cleaning game and a utility. Now, I don't know about you, but I've had a lot of iPhones, iPod Touches, and iPads over the years, and all of them invariably get dirty, and I always have to clean them all over all the time. Now, and I thought to myself, what if I can combine cleaning your screen with Apple History? And so I made this app. So as you can see here, we have a beautiful display of some of the devices throughout Apple's history. Here's the original iPhone, but look, it's been damaged. It has cracked glass, and I really want to clean that. Now, if you have a real iPhone with a cracked glass, there's not much you can do. But with Wipe My Screen, check this out. I just use my finger and look at that. I'm cleaning the screen and bringing that iPhone back to its original glory. This is so satisfying. You got haptic feedback as you clean it, and then make sure I get the corners. And once I get the corners, I think I'm going to get a little confetti. Look at that. A clean screen sets the tone for your digital symphony where every touch creates magic. A random quote every time you finish cleaning your screen. Now, I can also share this with people by just tapping the share button, and then I can say email this, or I can send this, post this to Twitter, Threads, Facebook, whatnot. And you can see the before and after screen. A great way to share with people this wonderful application. Now, let's restart the game. And we have a variety of devices that you have choose to use. So when you purchase Wipe My Screen, you get access to 3 devices: the original iPhone, iPod Touch, and iPad. But as you play the game, you earn coins, and you can use those coins to unlock different device frames and styles. So let's say you had fond memories of the iPhone SE first generation. Let's take a look at it. You can tap the Learn More button to get the Wikipedia entry of it and read all about all the specs of that original iPhone SE first generation. Or you can tap the preview to see a beautiful image of the iPhone. This one is the pink one. And I'm going to set this one as the current game. And there it is. It's also using a cracked glass. Let's say I wanted to see fingerprints. Oh, got to clean that screen. Or paint splotches. Or water droplets. Or maybe the screen is broken and you got to fix it. Yeah, translucency. Now let's change this image to image. So now you can also put images in the background that as you clean, the image is revealed. So let's see what's revealed when I use the translucency. I'm cleaning that screen. Oh, I think I know what this is. This is the Space Needle up in Seattle. Look at that flower, that's so nice. I was just there in Seattle. Don't forget the corners. Unlock the magic of a clean screen and let your device be your digital companion. Again, a random quote every time you clean your screen. I could share this, or I can play the game again. Now what's great is that there's a shuffle mode. So if I long press on that shuffle button, I can change the parameters of what is randomized. So right now I have the style asset and the style. I'll check the style and I'll check the device. And let's also do color too. So now as I tap the shuffle button, watch what happens as a new game starts. Look, there's the iPad mini 4th generation. The iPhone 12 mini. Oh, this was the iPhone 6 Plus with fingerprints. The iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's tap this really fast and see what happens. All these different styles, all these different devices just waiting for you to clean. Let's clean this one. And again, it's revealing the Space Needle in Seattle. How many of you watching this video have visited Seattle and gone up to the Space Needle? Great view. Even better view when the screen is clean, just like that. Now, like I said before, as you clean devices in the app, you can unlock, you can exchange coins that you earn for device frames. So you can take a look at all the device frames that we have across all the history of iPhones, iPod Touches, and iPads. You can sort this list by, if I just want to see the iPads or want to see the iPhones, sort them by release date, unlock status, their price, or their rarity. Now, each device has a rarity from common to uncommon to rare and ultra rare. And different devices have different multipliers, different abilities. So you can earn more coins if you unlock, say, an ultra rare device. But you can also get penalized if you turn on hints. So hints are a way it kind of overlays a little red overlay on top of the device telling you what spots you have yet to clean. So some devices have a hint penalty. This one has a 4-time hint penalty, but has a coin multiplier of 3. If you complete all 100%, clean every area of the device and get the confetti without tapping the complete button early, you get a 1.5 completion bonus multiplier. Let me set this one as the current and go back to the game. We have the iPhone 10 right there. Again, I can tap the shuffle to randomize. And I have a particular thing that I like. Let's say I want to see the paint splotches. I can again go back to shuffle and just say, just shuffle the style asset. And I can cycle through the various paint splotches assets that I have. Okay. Now, that's not all with Wipe My Screen. It's a game, as you can see, a casual screen cleaning game, but it's also a wonderful utility that people who watch videos on their iPads and iPhones will love. Let's take a look at that by going to the iPad. Here we have the iPad, and I'm going to go to the clean mode right here. Now, what's great about this is that it has the same familiar interface of the game. You can wipe or clean to a color, an image, or an image from a website. So right now I have the clean set to the red color, but if I want to change that to something else, I can change it to green. Boom, there's green. So now when I tap the clean button, you see the screen pop up. And what I'm doing here is I'm preventing accidental touches. So if I use my finger to swipe up, you see it didn't swipe up immediately. I have to actually swipe up twice to get to the dock. Okay, if I want to do Control Center, I would swipe down from the upper right. Oh, it didn't work. I had to do it again, and now Control Center appears. So on the clean screen, I prevent accidental touches. This is great if you're, again, watching Netflix or Disney Plus or Hulu, and you're starting your video, and suddenly you see this piece of dust or hair on your screen. You're like, I got to get rid of that. So you go to use your finger and you swipe it, but you accidentally press the fast forward, rewind, pause button, or maybe you accidentally turned on multitasking or whatever. It's like, oh gosh, I have to go back and like rewind to the exact spot. No, just pause the video, switch to clean my screen, turn on screen cleaning mode, get rid of that dust, speck, hair, whatever, and then go back to your streaming app and watch the video again. It's great. And all you do is 4 taps to exit out of the clean screen mode. Now, Wipe My Screen is a one-time purchase on the App Store, but you can also, when you get it, you get access to, like I said, those first 3 devices and the fingerprint style. But as you earn coins, you can use them to buy stuff. So you can buy the device frames or the styles. Now, you can also unlock everything with a single one-time purchase within the app, or you can buy coins to get ahead. Now, I've designed the app to have no ads, and you can win the game. You can unlock all the device frames and styles if you play the game long enough. But if you're impatient or you just want to support me or you want to get ahead, get a little boost, feel free to use the in-app purchases right there. Now, there's one more thing. How do you share Wipe My Screen with your friends? Because once you start using Wipe My Screen to kind of clean your virtual devices and your physical device, you're going to want to give it to everybody. I got something for you. There's an app clip. Now, the app clip is a small version of the app that you can download very quickly by just scanning this code. So if Wipe My Screen was up on the App Store right now, you could scan this app clip and you would get a version of Wipe My Screen, a limited version. So I'll have the screen cleaning game with 1 device frame, which is the original iPhone. And you also have the screen cleaning mode set to the color of the app clip. So in this case, this is a red one, this is a purple one, this is a blue one. So it's a great way, it's completely free. It's a great way to have yourself get a taste for what Wipe My Screen does. You can play the game. Earning coins is not going to do anything until you buy the full priced version. Or you can share it with other people. You know, put a sticker on your car with this app clip. And anytime someone wants to wipe their screen and clean their screen, just have them scan it and they'll get the app, download it for free, and they'll be able to play the game and they'll be able to clean their screen all in one. And then if they're interested in buying the full version, they just one tap to go to the App Store to get the full version. The app has been localized in several different languages. Now, I did use automatic translation for everything but English, so I will put all those other localizations up on GitHub, so hopefully, if they're bad, someone can help me translate them. Or if the app does well, I'll get someone to translate them for me. But anyways, that is Wipe My Screen. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation here and it gives you a little overview of what the app does. Again, I find it's really great to use when you're just standing in line, you just want to take a nice relaxing break and you want to clean some screens, earn some coins, get some new device frames, get some new styles. Then when you're streaming video, go into the cleaning mode and wipe those dusts and those hairs and stuff like that and get back to watching your videos. Anyway, that is Wipe My Screen. I hope you've enjoyed this video and feel free to download, purchase, like, subscribe, do all the things that you have to do to make this product and my channel a success. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.